Well, thanks for joining us for part two. This is Micah with the Floor Doctor. So as we're looking at our hardwood floor with the water damage, here's where the hydrogen peroxide was put down. You can see one spot still wet. It's been sitting for about 30 minutes. The other spot here, it really didn't change anything. Our paste is still sitting on top of these other areas. So what we're going to do is we're going to just start by scraping some of this off. See how it looks. See if it changed it. Looks like maybe a little bit in there, but I can still see it. Now, that could be because it's still wet. We're going to probably have to do several applications of this and see if it changes it as we go. But right now we're just gonna scrape it off, let it dry for a little bit. We'll come back and see if it changes it when it's dry. Like I said, this was water damage that actually came up from the underside, so it's probably pretty deep in there. So we'll see how this changes here in a minute. I'm actually going to try just doing a little light sanding. That spot is pretty in there. I'm not sure if this is going to work, so we'll see. We'll come back in a little while. Thanks.